Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Today we will systematically review the anatomical layers and structures of the posterolateral corner of the knee. To begin, let's consider the superficial layer, which is the first layer. This layer comprises the lateral fascia, the iliotibial band, and the biceps femoris tendon. Moving deeper, the middle layer, or second layer, is composed of the patellar retinaculum, the patellofemoral ligament, and the patellomeniscal ligament. The deep layer, or third layer, consists of several important structures. These include the lateral collateral ligament, also known as the fibular collateral ligament, the lateral coronary ligament, or lateral meniscotibial ligament, the arcuate ligament, the Popliteus tendon-muscle unit, the Popliteofibular ligament, the Fabellofibular ligament, and finally, the lateral joint capsule with its attachment to the lateral meniscus edge. It's important to note that the deep layer is the most anatomically variable of the three layers. It constitutes the posterolateral corner of the knee complex. Moving on to the deepest layer, the third layer divides into two laminae, superficial and deep. The superficial lamina travels superficial to the lateral collateral ligament and ends posteriorly at the Fabellofibular ligament. The deeper lamina travels deep to the lateral collateral ligament, passes along, and attaches to the edge of the lateral meniscus, giving rise to the coronary ligament and ultimately reaching the arcuate ligament. An important anatomical landmark to be aware of is that the deep and superficial laminae of the posterolateral capsule are always separated from each other, with the lateral inferior genicular artery situated between them. In upcoming uploaded videos, we will explore the anatomy and injuries of various structures. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please remember to like it.